Hey, my little artist. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a cat. So in honor of National Pet Month in April and National Pet Day, which is April 11th, we're going to draw a cat. And we're going to do something a little unique today. Last time we drew a dog with the letters D-O-G because that's spelled dog. And today we're going to make a cat with the letters C-A-T because that spells cat. All right, so all you need today is you need a piece of paper, and then you need something to write with. A pencil, a pen, a marker, crayon, whatever is your choice. You decide. And then whatever you have at home to color it in with, crayons, markers, color pencils. I'm going to be using color pencils today, but you can use whatever works for you. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to draw with a marker today so that you can see the way that I'm drawing and see my lines really well. So we're going to start with a C, okay, and then we're going to do an A. And with the A, I'm just making a little tail on the A because I need it. It's a little bit curved, because I'm going to need that for the for the leg of the cat. And then I'm going to make a line for my T, but instead of going straight down, I'm just going to make a little curve at the end, a little hook. And then right here, I'm going to do my lines across my T, okay? All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we have our cat written, C-A-T, and now we're going to draw our oval on top of our T. Okay, that's going to be the cat's head. And then right here, I'm going to make my nose, just like that. Okay, there's the nose and the mouth. Can you see that real well? Okay, and then here at the top, I'm going to make my ears. And ears, cat ears are usually pretty pointy. And then inside, I'm going to draw another triangle inside that big triangle to make the inside of the ears. Okay, now next, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to start right here at the bottom of the cat's chin right here, and I'm going to do a little curved line like this. Okay, and that is going to be the cat's leg or foot, okay? And then here, I'm going to take the other side of this, just like that. That is the other cat's leg or foot, and I'll put little for its feet right there. Little lines. And then right here on the other side of this A, this is going to be like the cat's hind leg. Okay, just like that. And then right up here at the top of the A, okay, I'm going to kind of connect it to the cat's head. And then this C, I'm going to take and curve it on around like I'm kind of doing a bubble letter here. And that is the cat's tail. Okay, there we go. There is our cat. Now, we forgot eyes. Now, you can have open eyes or you can have sleeping eyes. I think I'll do two little eyes just like this, like he's nice and innocent and sweet and sleeping. Okay. And then I'm going to take my colored pencils and I'm going to start coloring it in. So I think I'll color in his nose, kind of a pinkish color, and his ears. Okay. And then I think I'm going to do a calico color. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but that's basically a spotted cat. I believe it's like a brown and black spotted cat. You can correct me if I'm wrong. You can send me a message saying Mrs. Crunky, you're wrong. I don't know a whole lot about cats. Okay, and remember, by changing the pressure of of how hard you are coloring. So up here, I changed the pressure and I did a little bit harder. So if you'll notice, the inside of my ears are a little bit darker using the same colored pencil. I don't have to get a bunch of different crayons or colored pencils. I can just change the value of it by pressing a little bit harder or a little bit lighter. Okay, so I'm going to press a little bit harder right here on his hind leg to kind of put a shadow there. And then I'm going to color this in lightly. Then here is my tail. And I know you're probably thinking, Miss Crunky, I thought you were going to do spots. And I am going to do spots. I'm going to do those last though. Okay. So there's my little kitten. She looks so cute, or he. And now I'm going to take a black and go through and make my kitten have little spots. Okay, and you can just put them randomly. I kind of try to spread them out and put them in different spots. Put one on his head. And if you have a cat at home, you could color yours in the same color that your own cat is. All right, there is my cat all finished. Okay, look at that, so cute. You wouldn't ever know that that was spelled with the letter C-A-T. All right, I would love to see your cats. So go ahead and draw your cat and then post it for me to see. I would love to see it. All right, happy creating, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.